In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams spell check not working. If you've noticed that misspelled words aren't getting underlined in Teams, there's a quick setting that usually solves it. We're going to turn on the built-in editor spell check inside the app and make sure it's set up correctly, so your messages get the automatic suggestions you expect. First, open Microsoft Teams and look to the top right corner of the window where your profile picture appears. Right next to it, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. Click that to open the main menu. This menu is where Teams hides most of its app level options, including the settings we need. From that menu, choose Settings. When the Settings window opens, you'll land on the General section. If you're on a different page, just click General on the left to bring up the standard app preferences. The General tab is where Teams manages app behavior, appearance, language, and editor features, so it's the right place to check. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Editor or Spell Check. You should find a toggle that enables spell checking in Teams. Switch this on. When it's on, Teams will underline words it thinks are misspelled as you type and offer quick corrections. This is the same place you can turn it off temporarily if you don't want those suggestions, but for most people, keeping it on prevents embarrassing typos in chats and channels. Once you've turned the toggle on, it's a good idea to confirm your language preference is correct. In the general area, look for the app language setting. Spell check follows your app language, so if you're writing in a different language, switch it here so suggestions make sense. If you change the language, Teams may prompt you to restart to apply the change. Next, test it. Open any chat or channel, type a deliberately misspelled word, and wait a moment. You should see a red underline. Right-click the word to view suggestions, and click the correction you want. If you don't see the underline immediately, give it a second or move your cursor. The editor often checks as you pause typing. A few quick tips. Spell check only works in standard message boxes. It may not appear inside code blocks or certain app fields. If the toggle is missing or grayed out, your organization might have restricted the feature, or you may be using an older app build, so updating Teams can help. And if the setting was off and you just turned it on, closing and reopening Teams can refresh the editor. That's it. Your spell check in Teams should be back in action.